Joel, let me ask you a question about
Sure.
guardians. Is that something that that people are able to put in their will or a document like that to where they can say if something happens to my wife and I or my husband and I that we can go ahead and sort of talk with another couple or some that we know and we trust that could take care of our young children?
That's a great question. Yes, there's actually, let me kind of answer it a couple of different ways real quickly. Yes, it is something that you can put in your will that says that if I ever become, in that situation, this is who I want. The problem is the will really doesn't have any effect until you pass away. So the main thing there is having the power of attorney. The power of attorney allows you to do things for that person. There are still times, even having done a power of attorney, that you still do need a guardian or a conservator for that person. But in Alabama law, the person that is given preference on being named as the guardian and conservator is the person that holds the power of attorney. So even in that circumstance where you do need a guardian or a conservator, the person that is designated in that power of attorney gets that preferential treatment on being named that person. One other thing in a will, though, one of the things that we do a lot of is that you can designate who you want to be the guardian of your children. So that is something, if I pass away, I want to make sure that my mother or my cousin or my brother or sister are the ones that are, raising my children rather than somebody else. Now, in the state of Alabama, the court gives that great deference. There is a thing that in Alabama law, they do not have to follow that because it's always what's in the best interest of the child. Right. With that said, all the family attorneys that you have up here will tell you it's always what's in the best interest of the child. With that said, the designation of that in the will gives the judge a lot of conviction to name that person as that guardian for the child. All right.